So this is my natural hair, but I'm always looking for something to help like kind of reduce the frizz and make my waves look more like concentrated in a way. So that's why I want to test this OUAI Anti Frizz Cream. This was gifted to me from the brand, but it's always a my opinion. So what I love too is this has the classic OUAI scent. So that is, this has Rose de Mali, this has violet, white musk, jasmine, bergamot, sandalwood, raspberry, Italian lemon, and patchouli. But really, this is their North Bondi scent. So, but really, you're gonna get like the beautiful kind of, I just went to a fancy hair salon scent. What I love too is you just pump a little bit in your hand, and I like to kind of essentially warm up the product and use that to work it through my mids and ends of my hair, and even a little bit like my little baby hairs that I got up there. And as you can see, it's really kind of like reducing the frizz, but without weighing down my hair. It's nothing like I've ever used before that it really can kind of do that. But what I'm gonna do, I'm getting ready to do kind of curl my hair, and this also has a great heat protection, and this gives you a long-lasting hydration. As you can see, my hair looks so much smoother and so much silkier than it did before, and it just kind of helps you, give you more of less frizz and more of a style without any effort. This also has no parabens, no phthalates, and sulfate free. So if you're looking for a great anti-frizz treatment, definitely go